Hello, and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today I'm going to make some steak fries or potato wedges, whichever one you want to call it. We're going to cook them in this Ninja Foodie Max here. And so this is a real neat little air fryer if you've never seen it before. If you're just going to have an air fryer, I really, I've had a lot of air fryers and I really think this is top of the line of the air fryers. I'll just show you a little bit about it. This little basket here, that's not a basket, it just pulls out like that. And all you folks that has always thought those, when you pull this out, they're real heavy and they're hard to handle and cumbersome, they are. This one right here is not. This is lightweight. Everybody should be able to handle it, And so, anyway, that's about it on this. I just wanted to show you how, look how easy this basket goes in and out. You don't have to put your hand on top of it or behind it or anything like that to hold it. So, anyway, and now, don't make no mistake. Nobody is paying me to say this. We don't get a dime from any of these people. They don't even send us a crust of bread. So. Now, however, if you go down to my links and buy something in my links down below the description there, and you go to Amazon and buy stuff from my links, now I do get a small portion of that, but these people send us nothing. I mean, zilch, nada. So, just so you know. It's just that this is a good product and I really like it, and I think you'll like it too if you get one. Now, we were out at Bass Pro Shop the other day and I noticed this CABELA'S French fry seasoning. Now, this particular one is for steak fries. And so I thought, well, that might be pretty good, And so we got some. I'm taking a swiff over here. And it smells really good. So we're going to give it a try on this. And of course, I've got to have some Mrs. Dash on my potatoes. And a lot of other things too. And then salt and pepper, and that's about all we're going to do to them. Now, first thing we're going to do is get these potatoes washed off and cleaned up so we can cook them. Because we're not going to peel them now. We're going to leave the potatoes the peel alone. That's the way you get steak fries and and the potato wedges. So let me get started washing them off. Okay, now I've got these washed off and batted down pretty dry, so I'll lay them over here on my little flexible cutting board. Okay, now just because I said I'm not going to peel this, don't mean you can't look these over. If you see any bad spots in them, need to cut the bad spots out. I mean, there's one that's got a big crack right there, so I don't want that to be in the. I don't want to see that and eat it when I bring it out, so I'll cut it out and discard it. Okay, now switch knives. Okay, now you sort of be careful when you're doing this because it's round, and it rocks back and forth, so pay close attention. Hold it firmly so it doesn't get away from you, and try to cut it right down the middle like that. Now you can lay it over like this on the flat side, and you don't have to worry about it rocking. And so we'll cut this in half, and then we'll just pretty close cut this in half, making sure your finger's not in part of that cuts in half. So there we go. Yep. That's pretty looking potatoes. See, you think you don't have much here, but now I'm only going to eat these, And so once you get to cutting these potatoes, you say, wait a minute, so that's growing pretty good here. I thought I was just going to have a little snack. Now it looks like I'm going to have a meal. So crooked on that one. I don't know how I did that. I didn't keep my eye on it. There we go. Now, we'll take this medium-sized mixing bowl here and put them down in there. So now we'll take this Evo sprayer here and I'm going to put me a little oil in. This is olive oil I'm using. You know, you can use whatever kind you prefer. Now we'll put this CABELA'S steak fries seasoning on here. Like I said, now I gotta have a little bit of dash about everything. Now this says it's got salt and pepper in it, so I'm still going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, but you might want to use caution until you get one out and taste it and just see. But I'm going to be brave right now and go ahead and put a little bit of pepper in here. I'll take it easy on the salt though, because salt, you know, I don't like a lot of sodium. And you have to watch these things because you don't have to twist them a couple of times and you got more salt than you ever thought. And so now I'm just going to shake them up like this. Spin them around. Okay, now I know, I can see down in there, I know all of them's not covered real well. So I'm going to spray just a little bit more on there. A little bit more oil. Okay, and we'll just go do the same routine over again. Put some more of this. I'll tell you what, it's going to make them look pretty whether it's good or not. You know? And then I'll put some more there's a dash in there. Just like that. Now, if you're the kind of person that likes to be hands-on, you can go ahead and stick your hands down and mix them up if you want to. I just rather do it this way for myself. And so now, I'm going to take this basket out of this Ninja Max here. Dump these fries right down in it. You see them right there. I'm going to take it over here to this air fryer. I'm going to put them in here. I can't get used to not holding the back of something here to push it in, but you don't need to with this one. So, and then we're going to turn on the power, and we're going to do air fry. Now we'll leave it at 390. Some people like to push it up to 400, but I don't want to cook it but so fast, you know. And I will tell you right now, with this Max, this Ninja Max, you really have to pay attention because it cooks really quick. All right, now my time, I'm going, well, set it, goes to 20 by default. I'm going to bring it down to 18. And then I'm going to hit the start button. Now a lot of people like to preheat these before they start, and you can go ahead and just set it on whatever temperature you want it, you know, and just go ahead and hit the start button on it, and it will heat, you know, until you, about 5 minutes is what it usually takes to preheat something. So you can put it on there and just run it up to 5 minutes. But now when you do, now you really have to pay close attention then, because if you're not careful, it's going to be done before you even think about it. So if you're the preheat type of person, you know, you need to cut your time way down on your cook time. Okay, now it's approaching the halfway mark for this first cook I got going on here, so I'm going to open it up and just see what it looks like on the inside of there. Now all you got to do is open this drawer here, And when you do, it'll stop counting down and hold it for you like that. Oh man, those look pretty good, don't they? I'm gonna shake them around. Oh, it's sizzling away. Those look good right there. I know they're not done yet, but anyway. So we'll put them back in there. Then it starts right back up. It's going on its way. Now when it gets down to about 4 minutes, probably I'm going to check them just to see how tender they are, because I don't want to overcook them whatever I do. So we'll be back. Okay, now we're coming up on 4 minutes here, and I'm going to give it a toothpick test. So what I'm thinking about, I really do appreciate you people who watches our videos. It sure does mean a lot to us and helps us out, you know. And so thanks again for watching our videos, and if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. Alright, now, well, move me a little pot holder right here. It's okay, it won't kill me if she wants to walk in and see me setting this thing down on her counter. And I'm going to stick a toothpick in there. I declare they feel done. They sure do. They surely feel done. Okay. So now I'm going to take them over here and put them on this little paper plate I got over here. I want to tell you right now, they look delicious, don't they? So now let me get out of, well, first I want to try one just like they are, but I got to let them sit there for a minute or two before I do, because I imagine they're a little warm. Okay, they've been sitting there for 3 or 4 minutes now. This is about the thickest one is there. You see how that broke? Ooh, see that smoke coming off that? It's still hot. That looks good though, doesn't it? Well, they sure are good. Now, you might want just a little more salt with them. But that's just about right. Maybe a little ketchup. You know, it's funny, I hardly ever eat ketchup in a restaurant because I don't like ketchup room temperature. You know, I like it if it's cold. So I like ketchup on my fries and stuff like that at home because I can take it out of the refrigerator and use it. But in a restaurant, it's room temperature and I just don't like it that way. So let's see how it is with a little ketchup on it. Good. I hope you try these sometime in your air fryer because they sure are delicious. And we actually didn't even get down to, we only cooked for I put 18 minutes on there and I stopped it at 4 minutes. And so I only cooked them for 14 minutes at 390 degrees. But now I did stop and shake them at about 9 minutes, I think it was, when I stopped and shook them, turned them all around. So anyway, that's this little video for this potato wedges here. I hope you try them sometime because I think you'll really like them. And so till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now, and come back and see us as soon as you can. Hope to have another video for you real soon. And in the meantime, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all have a good day now. Goodbye.